don't quite know what he's rolling on, but he's enjoying it. Good boy. You rolling whatever that dirt is. Or that dead thing. Should we check what it is, or should we just let him keep going?
Mm-hmm.
Kanji, what you rolling on, huh? What you rolling on? Is it just the luck? Is it this? Is it dead snake? You found a dead snake?
Is it really a dead snake?
Yeah. It still smells it though. Alright, Kanji, enough dead snake rolling. Let's go. Let's go.
Come on.
You did it. Kanji, let's go.